We're starting.
Okay.
All right, hey guys. So we have this Kaben Water Ionizer Regenesis 2000, and we're going to open it up and see if we can check out the insides and compare it to Kangen Water machine. I like how they knocked the name off Kaben. Right, so. Okay, so we got all those on here. Then there's a fuse. Let's take the fuse cap off. Okay, we'll just leave that attached from that side. All right, so this is the inside of the machine. You can see the water intake and the discharge for the acid here, and then the alkaline water hose up here. All right, so this looks really cheap. So we're gonna take off the clamps for the hoses here. And see, there's only 2 electrodes hooked up right there. We're gonna compare that to the Kangen chamber right here. You can see a big difference. We've got 8 hookups, positive and negative. And this is serviceable. This doesn't look like it can be opened very well here, or it's like a waffle maker. All right, so these just come right out. Okay, that looks so cheap. I'm sorry, this is so cheap. Oh my goodness. All right, this is the cheapest thing. All right, so there we go. That wasn't so hard. Now we're gonna open up the main chamber here. All right, one more screw. I don't even think we have the screws to open up the Kangen machine chamber, but this one's a lot easier than the one that Brian was doing on the video. Okay, so this is, as you can see, there's glue. Looks like glue. This is glued together. So I'm gonna. You got a good shot of that? Not gonna look the same ever again. Maybe take another.
I need to open it, apparently, right?
It is. I don't know. I'm gonna take some more pictures real quick with my other device of this thing before we disassemble it. Okay, so let's see. How do we? Yeah, it looks like it's sealed. Like you can see the
glue.
The glue. So this is not meant to open. This is not serviceable. You're not meant to clean this. I guess this is a throwaway system. All right, let's just keep going and take the rest apart, because that's not. We're gonna have to do another video with that, just like Brian did. He's like, I can't even open this right now. Smaller screwdriver.
Hey, let me plug it in for you. I said, let me plug it in for you.
It's hard to get this one. Skipping.
And this is using switch mode technology.
This is a switch mode power supply. I doubt that there is a transformer in this thing. I don't think even these cords could handle the power. They would melt based on the looks of this thing so far. Just holding this in here.
That's not holding it?
Oh, yeah, that might be one.
Looked like it was resisting when you were pulling on the top. It was resisting on the bottom.
Still feels like something's holding it. Oh, there's some screws on the bottom here.
That's the power transformer, isn't it?
Yeah. It might need to be disassembled for it to.
There's a tube connected right here that may be holding it down. I think that's just gonna pull off the face of the transformer. Or that might just be a post.
This one's stripped. Oh, here, there's some. That's just a power chamber, but that doesn't look like it's hooked up to anything else. All right. Alright, pause the video. Okay, so we managed to pull it all apart. You can see that this has a power supply and a computer board, and this is one circuit board here and here. That's it. This is not like a Kangen water machine. You cannot compare this to that. And we can open up a Kangen machine right now. We'll pause this video if you want to see the difference. All right, so in conclusion, these machines are hunks of junk, no comparison, nothing like a Kangen water machine. Don't waste your money. This machine brand new was about $1,200. It's not even worth $200.